Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen where we make mouth-watering delicacy. In today's video, I'll be showing you and teaching you how I make this yummy and tasty chicken dodo, just like you hear gizdodo. If today is your first time of coming across this video, you're welcome. With no further ado, let's cook. I will be using the following ingredients: chicken, spring onions, tomatoes, one yellow bell pepper. You can use red, and then we have onions. The first thing I'll be doing is to dice all my chicken into my desirable shape or into a bite size, and thereafter I will set that aside. If you have watched up to this moment, please go ahead to subscribe if you know you haven't subscribed. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Now, in a clean pan, I will go ahead to add some olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil of your choice. I will allow that to hot, and thereafter I'll go ahead to add the diced chicken. Now I'll go ahead to stir this up. I'll be adding some garlic and ginger paste, and then I'll go ahead to add some curry powder, and I'll also be adding some paprika pepper, and thereafter I will add some oregano spice, and I will also add some salt. I will add onions powder, and then I'll give everything a good stir. Guys, all these ingredients or spices I just used, they are optional. So I allow that to fry for a few minutes, and then I'll take this off the gas cooker. In that same pan, I'll be adding my chopped onions. I later went ahead to add some more oil. Now I'll be adding the chopped pepper, which is my bell pepper, and the onions. I will fry this up for few minutes. I will be covering this to cook for 2 to 5 minutes. Then I'll open up the pan. Now I added some chicken maggi, added salt. Now I'll be adding the fried chicken. Then I'll give this a good stir. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like. After that, I'll go ahead to add the fried plantain which I fried off the camera. I'll just go ahead to stir this up. This recipe is so easy and so simple to put together. Guys, after stirring this up, I will add a little water just to loosen it up because for me it was too thick. You can leave yours like this. Then I will go ahead to stir everything up. After stirring, I will go ahead to cover it for a few minutes, and then I will open up the pan. Guys, our chicken dodo is almost ready but not yet ready. Now I'll go ahead to add our spring onions and give everything a good stir to add more flavor and deliciousness to our meal. Our food is ready. Will you be trying this? If you do, please tag me. See you in my next video. Bye.